Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge are there. They got to Jammu yesterday on Wednesday. Today they are in Srinagar. They're expected to meet with Omar and Farooq Abdullah. What's really on the cards? Well, seat sharing and alliance dynamics is something that is going to be discussed in the meeting. Do remember, elections are coming up in Jammu and Kashmir, a three-phase assembly poll, which is going to start on the 18th of September, followed by the 25th of September, and then finally on the 1st of October, before the results are counted on the 4th of October. So these are elections since 2002, and Jammu and Kashmir has thrown up a huge hung verdict with no party winning an absolute majority. So Rahul Gandhi, they're saying that if anyone has worked in Jammu and Kashmir with courage, it has been the Congress party, and that he can understand the plight of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. So a lot on the agenda there, a very crucial visit there. Of course, Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, they're expected to be having that meeting with Omar Abdullah and Farooq Abdullah. And to get more on this, my colleague there, Nazir, joining us. Nazir, from that visit in Jammu to the visit in Srinagar yesterday, we had, pictures of Rahul Gandhi there enjoying that dinner, relishing that ice cream at one of those famous restaurants. And today, a very crucial meeting regarding seat sharing and also, the alliance dynamics that are going to be discussed in that very crucial meeting that's coming up with the Abdullahs.
Well, for last about 1 hour, a meeting is underway at Farooq Abdullah's residence. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge are meeting both Abdullahs, Farooq Abdullah and Omar Abdullah. It's happening amid the reports of stalemate in talks between National Conference and the Congress about seat sharing formula, and there have been certain, hiccups and roadblocks. There have been, both the parties have been demanding more seats, and both are not willing to blink. We have to see who will blink first. Rahul Gandhi, during his address to the party workers an hour ago, said alliance will happen. But at the same time, he said he had conveyed to the JKPCC president that the respect of Congress leaders and workers has to be maintained, kind of assuaging the feelings of leaders. Last night, there was a third round of negotiations between the Congress and the National Conference. It ended on a bitter note. There was a walkout of one of the leaders, and he was really agitated and protesting. Look, they are giving more seats to the National Conference. Well, as National Conference is not ready to actually concede or more seats in Kashmir Valley. There are reports that Congress has been asking for around 17 seats in Kashmir Valley and almost, more than 30 seats in Jammu. So that is something, that formula is not accepted to the National Conference. They are saying it is a party which has a base across Jammu and Kashmir, so they will not concede more seats. So there were 3 rounds of talks. Senior leaders of the party were there. In fact, then the observer, one of the central leader, was also brought in yesterday's meeting with the National Conference, Congress's central leader. So in a hotel in Srinagar. So there was a lot of, heated argument during that meeting. So that has caused certain bitterness, and that was also a sign if there would be a meeting between Rahul Gandhi and Abdullahs. But finally, before Rahul Gandhi leaves for Jammu, he is here for last 1 hour holding meeting with Farooq Abdullah and Omar Abdullah, and seeing what sources are telling us that wherever there is also a third option, which is there could be a friendly contest on some seats where both parties say, look, they have more prospects of winning. So it's all that what would happen in this meeting. Rahul Gandhi has already conveyed to his party workers and leaders that there will be alliance and their respect will be maintained. We have to see, because this clearly shows that if the talks had failed, then this meeting would not have been possible. And also it a wrong message for the India alliance. They may be talking about India alliance at the country level, but here in Jammu and Kashmir, where Congress needs an alliance and needs it badly, Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge are here at Farooq Abdullah's residence for last 1 hour holding closed doors meeting to finalize the seat share in this alliance arrangement for these elections.